again.
OnePlus Open, the company's first foldable smartphone, is here. The Open introduces one incredibly clean design, two superb Dolby Vision OLED screens, and three Hasselblad-enhanced cameras on the back. And that's just the beginning. Let's meet the OnePlus Open. The OnePlus Open impresses right out of the bat with a clean and classy design, one reminiscent of a portable digital camera from a while back. It has all sorts of niceties such as a ceramic guard panel, a vegan leather or glass back, a thin metal frame, and an exclusive hinge design with less complexity and higher durability. The phone is IPX4 rated for splash resistance. Naturally, everything on the Open revolves around its two displays. The primary one is a 7.82-inch LTPO3 FlexiFluid AMOLED with a high-resolution 10-bit color depth, a dynamic 120Hz refresh rate, and plenty of other high-end specs. The cover screen is a full-fledged 6.31-inch LTPO3 Superfluid AMOLED with 20:9 aspect ratio, 10-bit color depth, a dynamic 120Hz refresh rate, and a ceramic guard protection. The OnePlus Open employs the Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 chipset by Qualcomm, and it should be among the last top-tier phones to use it before the Gen 3 arrives in a few days. The Open will be available in only one configuration, with 16GB LPDDR5X RAM and 512GB UFS 4 storage. OnePlus markets the Open as a premium camera phone, and it sure has the hardware to be one. There are three Hasselblad cameras on its back, a 48MP OIS primary with a new Sony pixel-stacked sensor, a 64MP OIS telephoto with 3x optical and 6x in-sensor zoom, and a 48MP ultra-wide camera for both panoramic and macro shots. There are two, well, let's call them selfie cameras, both found inside small punch holes in the two displays. The first one is a 32MP cam inside the cover display, and the other one is a 20MP shooter inside the foldable screen. The OnePlus Open has three powerful Dolby Atmos speakers, all sorts of connectivity features, and the latest Oxygen OS 13.2 with foldable enhanced experience. By the way, the OnePlus Open premieres side by side with the Oppo Find N3, two virtually identical foldables, excluding the colors and the splash resistance. But the Open is intended for the global markets, while the Find N3 should be limited to just a couple of countries. Furthermore, the OnePlus and its Open should become the first global competitor to Samsung's Fold series. It looks like there is nothing missing on the OnePlus Open. Yes, we can argue about the outdated quad-bayer selfie cameras, but let's not forget this is a foldable smartphone, and you can use the main triple setup for mugshots, and that's why we will let this slide. Maybe they will even surprise us this time, who knows? The Open is not IPX8 rated as the Fold 5, which means it must not be submerged in water, but it can endure sprays of water, rain, showers even, stuff that should be enough for most users.